Hi, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul from Dr. Martens. I know I don't even know when was the last time I've shown you one of my new pair from Dr. Martens. Did I receive some in winter? I think so, as we received two pair each 6 months. So I might have received some, and I might haven't shown you because I don't even remember what did I pick. I don't know, but this time I've ordered for myself from the website. Of course I have a discount, but I'm not going to talk about this here. A new pair. If you know a bit Dr. Martens, if you know the height and the name, it is a 1B99 quad sole Pisa leather. So let's go. The box isn't that big, as you can see. I was expecting something way bigger. I don't know why. I think I'm really used to the 1B60 and those are a bit smaller. It's 1B99. It's 14 eyelets and not 20. So yeah, it's a bit lower, but I think it will match a lot of my clothes. There's a lot of my clothes that match 1B60, so why not 1B99? And I'm thinking about getting the 1490, which are 10 eyelets, a bit lower than. I often use the classic 1460, which are 8 eyelets. If I mention some pair, I will put some pictures there so you can see a bit what it looks like. So let's get in. Let's do one foot at a time. So this is the boot. So as you can see, it looks really similar to the JADON Pisa. I think it might be a bit smaller here, really a tiny bit. So I'm gonna do a try on with those on myself, and you will see. I really like that there's a zipper there. I've come to an end. I'm very lazy now, as I wear a lot my JADON Pisa, and I like that there's a zipper. Yeah, I do. I think it looks a bit less authentic, but it's really convenient. When you get home from work, it's convenient. So let's take this out. They often put a really long laces when it's only 1B69. Oh no, 1B99. I don't know why they do that, but it's good when this is a bit too stiff and you want it to be a bit more flexible. You can tighten the laces around the leg, so it's a bit, I think it's good that they put more length on the laces and not enough. So as you can see, those ones are made in Thailand. This is a size 5. As always take my size, and if it doesn't fit, it's just not the shoe for me. Remember this at Dr. Martens: if it's not a good fit, if it's your size, then change it, change the model. It's not for you. Don't try to take higher, lower. Maybe for some people it works. I just advise you change the model. That's all. It's not for you. Get it in your head. So yeah, that's the boot. I don't have a lot to say. As you can see, I will link my video about the JADON Pisa, and it's kind of the same. So the right way, it's better. So as you can see, it's really the classic platform. It's not the max platform, so it's kind of easy to walk with them. And a leather like this, I have no doubt I could walk with them a lot. So this is for the boot. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I don't have a lot to say as it's really similar. Maybe if I have really a bad experience while walking with them, I will keep you updated, but for now I think it will be really similar to the Jason Pisa. I also wanted to show you, because the haul is not over, so I just wanted to show you this this little bag from Dr. Martens. You might know the little satchel like this, is full black, which was really sold out really quickly, and this is the collection, Gothica collection, something like this, and it's a limited edition, so if you like it, just pop on the website really quick because it's not going to last long and they're not going to do it again. So this is 100 euro. I don't know anything about pounds. I got it on discount obviously because I work at Dr. Martens, but if you like it, just go on the website. It's basically the same satchel as before. I'm going to show you the inside, so you can open it like this, but actually you open it with those little stuff like this as on the other satchel. It's don't know in inches, sorry, I live in France. It's 18 centimeters. You cannot really put a really rectangular wallet inside. You have to get a small wallet. You can put your, I will show you, you can put your mobile in it, you can put your keys, but yeah, just not a really big wallet. Obviously not a bottle of water. Leather also, everything is leather. We're not in the vegan range, so that is it. And for the price of those ones, I will write it down because I'm really not sure how much they are. Even in pounds, I don't really know. So anyway, let's do the little try on. And these are the Jason Pisa, so you can see just next to it, it's a bit lower. I am in love with those ones. I think I'm gonna wear them a lot. Yeah, definitely a pair I like. This is 100% yes. So for today, I hope you like it. I will try to come back soon with other stuff. I'm a bit more on TikTok. I don't know if I think I mentioned it in the Killstar haul. I'm a bit more on TikTok talking about really different stuff, and in French, so not really, maybe not really interesting for you. I also do home tour and stuff like this, but this is going to go on my YouTube channel anyway one day. So sorry, I've been really MIA those last months. Things were just a bit hectic, and it's going really slowly back into places now, so I hope everything will be okay and that 2024 will be better for the next months, really. So anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Tschüss!